Parents, if your kid can't breathe at night, you need to see this. Allergy season, daycare bugs, asthma. We've been through it all. Last month, my kid couldn't sleep more than 2 hours without waking up wheezing. I was scared. I felt so helpless. Then I found this. It's called the Nourigen AirLuxe. It's a small portable nebulizer and honestly, it saved us. Now when they're stuffy or coughing, I just pop the mask on. It's quiet, gentle, and super quick. They actually like using it. They breathe easier, sleep better, and I finally get to relax too. It's currently 55% off, so get yours before the sale ends.